This is from your tube 1 PDF. So in this, they ask you to calculate the value of R, need to calculate RTH, right? And they need to calculate maximum power. Maximum power formula was, क्या था maximum power का formula? That is P max equal to TH divided by 4 RL. So ultimately we need to calculate VTH and ultimately calculate RL, right? And RL is equal to RTH only. So let's move towards the question. First step we'll calculate VT because we'll move it according to the Thevenin theorem only. Okay. So again we'll mark a point here and point here, right? We need to calculate VAB. Again we are standing at A position and we need to move towards B like this. So VAB equal to V plus V plus AC and VD is 0, ICD, RCD. RCD 30, ICD calculate. Now as you can see that there are three meshes. I1, you are moving from C, so current should also move from C to D. So we'll take three mesh, three variable, three equation, minus 4I1 minus 12I1 minus I2 plus 4 is equal to, so minus 30I2 12I2 minus 12I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. And now for this, as you can, I3 and 2 ampere are in the opposite direction. I3 equal to, right? So after solving, we'll get the value for I2. I2 is equal to IC. You can substitute it here. Get BTH. Correct? Now in the next step, we need to calculate RTH, right? ICD is yes. Now in the next step, we need to calculate RTH. For RTH, voltage source must be short circuit and current source must be open circuit. Again, you are standing at A position and you have to move towards B position. Now, A, you are moving 4 ohm and 12 ohm. These two resistances are connected in series or in parallel? Parallel. Good. 4 parallel 12. Now, 12 ohm will remain as it is. Now, the diagram would be like this. Okay. Now this resistance 4 parallel 12 and 12. These two resistances are connected in series or in parallel? They are connected. Good. Again we'll now this one and 30 ohm. These two are connected in series or in parallel? How we'll calculate, right? Okay. So we'll get RTH. Now we know the value of RTH. We know the value of RTH. RL is equal to RTH. We just need to substitute the value, get the maximum. And